Welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how to insert an anchor on the node. You just double click it and then add the anchor. In this video, we are going to see how to add an elbow or a bend to the piping system. Now, if you haven't got the file open, or you have, but you have not saved it, I would suggest you save it. But then let's say you are on your dashboard and you are in the client area. Then click on the project and then on the 3D modeling file or CPD file that we will be editing right now to insert the bend. When the file opens, we can see that the anchors are there, which we added last time. Now, here we would like to add elbows or bends at the points or nodes where the pipe is changing direction. So I'll first switch from element to node. I'll zoom in a bit and then I'll double click on the node where I would like to insert the elbow. Now when I double click, you can see that the window opens and we are ready to insert the elbow. We can insert all the different radiuses of the elbow. Here it is 1.5D or 485.85. Let's stick with 1.5D bend radius. Click on save, and as soon as you do that, you can see that an elbow has been inserted in the 3D model. Now let's switch from nodes to elements and see the elbow. Next, let's go in and select the node first and then double click the node and say you'd like to insert a 3D elbow. As soon as you do that, you can see the elbow radius with a 3 times the diameter has been inserted. Now for the next one, let's say we would like to insert a user-defined elbow. Now when we do that, we can just put in the elbow radius. In this case, it is 200. So when we do that, you can see when I switch back to the elements, you can see how the elbow looks like. Now let's say that 200 millimeter radius is not suitable. So we will go back, change it to user defined and give it a radius of 1000 millimeters. Click on save and the elbow updates. Now let's see if we insert a elbow radius which is a bit more than what we can insert the elbow or a bend. So let's go in and say 2000 millimeter radius. As soon as you try to hit save, the software tells you that there isn't enough space to insert that bend. So change the radius. So then let's say instead of 2000, we'll just say 1500 millimeters of the radius. And let's see, and let's insert it. Well, it allowed us, but the pipe segment between those two bends or elbows is too small. The length of that pipe segment is 28.3 millimeters. It's a bit small, but for the time being, just let it be. So that's how we insert an elbow at the change in direction of the pipe. Now we haven't saved this file, so let's click on save, and that brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we'll see how to edit the pipe segment. Till then, happy modeling with EngCoSuite's CPD. I'll see you next time.